Okay, welcome to today's free trading video. I'm Kenny, your host, Senior Research Analyst with theminianalyst.com. If you guys have any questions, shoot us an email to admin@minianalyst.com. And hope you guys had a great weekend and have a great Columbus Day holiday, those of you who are working today or off. Okay, so we're getting some exit orders. So we're going to start off today is we're going to start off by looking at our player, which is our market dynamics. We're just going to take a look at the market analytics here, see where we were yesterday. Obviously, we were bullish. Look at all this green. So all you bulls out there, trend traders, or just traders in general, having a big time yesterday. Sorry, that would be Friday. Had that big gap up. Again, just green, green, green. Green in our Indy, green in our Div 1, Disc A, Disc T. So a lot of green there. So we got our retracement here to our key measure of trend following support resistance. Again, we're above it, so that's support. Went ahead and that's a buy indication. You got a little choppy right there. Might want to wait for some follow through. Certainly above this high. Definitely want to be buying here, and of course that's what everyone else did as well. All this green, that means you buy. Of course it coiled over right there and kind of died. Started running some problems right here. Broke below here. Definite problems there. Definite problems there. Finished below, so a little bit of a negative bias for today, but once the market opened today, obviously we're back in the red. Back in the red, not really red, but certainly some negative market dynamics here, 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 here. Certainly the gap lower. So definitely got the double bottom, which we actually missed this in our trading room today, this morning, our disc pad, because we were a little preoccupied with Strategy Runner, thinking it was a holiday. So we got all that worked out and actually made a little extra money, fortunately, but had some technical issues we had to deal with this morning, so we weren't quite able to take that long setup in the disc pad. The master lead indicator suggesting a second buy right here, and around 47 blasted to 50 before you know it, or before we knew it, and so unfortunately missed that, but did scalp one other trade for a quick $700 this afternoon. As you know, when we don't make our money um, between 9:30 and 11 or so in our master trading room, we'll come back and trade from 2:30 to 4. That's no fun, but definitely certainly worth it when you can make $700 off one trade, as we did today. But let's go ahead and fast forward. So obviously, this break back below here, definitely coiling and negative market dynamics, and you get this sell side bias, you get this follow through movement in price. So let's go ahead and fast forward a little bit here. Obviously, it's just red everywhere. Negative. This is red means sell, green means buy. Red, red, red. Little choppy right here in these two indications. So obviously, you're going to get the not complete fall through, and that's what you're getting is choppy price behavior. And so let's look at the market right there. It's just choppy to a negative bias today, but overall, we're certainly bullish. Fortunately, we were able to catch one of these down moves. I'm not sure which one it was. I think it was this one right here. Nice. Oh, it was this one right here. We had in our master lead indicator. We'll go ahead and take a look at that. Actually, if I can switch over to our trading room, it'll be all good. No, we don't want that one. Well, I guess we can go ahead and use that one. Okay. So this was our setup right here. If I can, need to fast forward that a little bit. This was our left shoulder, higher high. That was our head, decelerating head and shoulder setup. We got in right here. The indication was for a sell side bias right here, and we got the deceleration move right there. Higher price movement. Again, it was just indicative of a nice sell side bias, and we got in the market at actually got a bad fill. The market was at 43.90. 44.20 was the close right there. We were in at 56, and the high was 43.90. That's where the market was. We didn't get filled until 43.70, and of course we caught that nice short move down 7 ticks and covered at 43. The low was 42.10, so we obviously could have held that for some more, but again, when we just like to stick and move, stick and move. We got our $700 and we were out of there. So that's our master lead indicator. We can go ahead and fast forward or rewind. So what do we have today? Had a negative bias coming in, yellow below cyan, Master lead yellow was suggesting lower price movement. That's what we got. Further lower price movement. Got the buy indication here that we didn't even see. We were busy doing other things. Didn't even see that. Nice fall through move higher in price. We did see this, however. Got the unison movement here and the reacceleration right here. That's when we started looking at the buy. The market was around 47, right around here. We can go ahead and just look at it. Yeah, so it was right around here, 47, that we wanted to get in the market, and subsequently didn't do it because we're a little preoccupied. So obviously you get the blast higher, sell side indication right here, just perfect. So that's our sell signal and our lead indicator just right at that top, just caught the move. So certainly some great indications, and of course look at the fall through, real acceleration. Buy setup right here suggesting go ahead and take your profits or play it alongside. Again, another retracement move right there, nice sell side indication. Buy move right there. Oh, that's just beautiful, especially on the reacceleration right here. That's just a beautiful setup. So if you guys are interested in the Master Trading Room, I think it's $700 or $800 for 5 months or 3 months. So you guys should definitely participate in that, catch some of those good trades with us. Or if you're interested in just having the DiskPad auto traded, there's a way that you can do that. It's a $10,000 account, and if you're interested, shoot an email to admin@minianalyst.com. We'll certainly fill you in on how you can participate in that. So let's go ahead and just look at our fills real quick, and bring that up. Okay, so there we are, up $700 for the day. Again, just one trade right over here, 43.70 at 1:56 Central Standard Time. Covered at 43. Again, the high there was 43.90, the low was 42.10. So efficiency ratio probably about 60, maybe 70%, but certainly okay in our book. And there's our $700 gain. So let's go ahead and see where we have been. Let's see. Okay, so $800, that was on October 5th. That was Friday. So that's what we made Friday. And then Thursday we actually didn't trade, so that was a 0. And flat day on the 3rd, 730. So just putting up some better days. What was that last day? $800. So $2,500 in 3 days. Yeah, just having too much fun. And that was 10.3, 10.2. Had a lot of commissions that day, so that number is not very accurate. I think we certainly finished higher that day, but definitely had some major commissions on that day. That was the second, and here's the first of $400 for the DiskPad. So that's just the last few days. I'll keep 4 charts in our queue. I'd like to just show you guys where we've been. And let's go ahead. So we've looked at the market, obviously on an intraday basis. Obviously it's choppy. The A team's out for the holiday. B team's in charge. So let's go ahead and just look at the cash markets, shall we? There's the NASDAQ blasting higher. Beautiful, beautiful chart. Just absolutely beautiful. Bullish directional movement, bullish support from an IT perspective, bullish back here from a short-term perspective, bullish back here, fully bullish right here. Blast higher, price technical perspective, bullish. I mean, it's just like 100% full throttle bullish, and of course you get this fall through move higher. That's the NASDAQ, and there's the S&P cash, and this is exactly what we were talking about, although this is now bullish. So this would be bullish, and it's pretty rare to have all these bullish biases lining up, and when you get these lineups, of course you're getting the stair-stepping pattern, acceleration moves out of these little flag patterns, these little triangle formations. Blast, one of our favorite patterns of all time. Blast higher there. So we definitely need to get above 1560. As mentioned, we're targeting probably around 1600 in the S&P, certainly 1580, which is where we were mentioning that we would be there once we get the Fed easing move right there on that day. So I guess that's it for today's trading video. Kenny signing off. If you guys have any questions, again, go to the website, chat with the support team. On any page, just click on chat with us or shoot us an email at admin@minianalyst.com if you have any questions. Hope you guys have a great trading day tomorrow, and we'll see you tomorrow.